Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. I hope everybody nice like rice. On today's menu we have some creamy garlic mashed potatoes. And here are the ingredients I'll be using today. And I forgot to put the garlic powder in the lineup. So forgive me, but you guys will see it. So yes, I'll be using that. So of course it's mashed potatoes. So we are going to peel, wash and cut up some potatoes. You actually can just peel them, boil them whole and not cut them up. But for me, that makes it harder to mash them out, right? And some people boil them with the skin. So I'm gonna add them to my hot water, add some salt, cover them and boil them until they are soft. But first, I'm gonna add some chopped garlic to cook with the potatoes. But because I don't like the taste of biting into garlic, I'm going to chop them up fine, fine, fine. So if you don't mind biting them, then you can just cut up like each cloves into about 4 pieces or so and add it to the pot. So yeah, a total of 4 garlic cloves will do. By the way, Vibes fam, if you don't have any garlic powder, use more than 4 cloves of garlic, about 5 or 6 or so, if you wish. Yes, so do the thing. And guess what? If you don't like garlic, then just dash out all of that part here, right? But yes, it needs to taste of garlic, so we just a dash garlic everywhere. So now that they are nice and fine, I'm gonna add them to my potatoes. We want all right, so scrape, 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 girl, scrape. Cover it and let it cook. Now that my potatoes are cooked, I'm going to throw off the water, dash where the water is, yes. And I put the potatoes in a bowl and I'm adding some butter, Parmesan cheese, and some cheddar cheese. And now I am going to just mash up everything in here. May I mash up everything in here? Of course, I'm talking about what's in the bowl. Come on, guys. So I'm using my one little masher to bust a one mash pan the potatoes. Yes, of course, if you don't have a masher, no watch no face. Just use a fork and mash up everything inside and cut and go through, right? By the way, I left back some of the cheddar cheese. So I'm going to add it just a little bit after this. So we're just going to mash and a mash and a mash. Just bare mashings that take place. Yes, so mash girl. So now I'm adding the rest of the cheddar cheese and also a little less than half of a small tub of cream cheese. And see my rupee in my big fork. So I'm just going to continue mash, stir and all these things. No biggie. We'll just try and make some mashed potatoes. Ooh, come through, creaminess. Yes, you are coming forth. Yes. Okay, so now I'm going to spice it up a little more. So I added about half teaspoon onion powder and garlic powder, right? And also some of my favorite roasted garlic and pepper seasoning. I absolutely love this stuff. I love it. I love it good. I love it good. Love it. So add that, and I added a little parsley flat leaves, a little bit of that, and just combine everything. And guys, guess what? Ooh, I also added the milk and I never show you when I did. So sorry about that, but yes, I added some milk to it. And also, guess what? If you don't have milk but you have some heavy cream in your fridge, dash it in there. So good. So mix it up, Vibes fam, mix it up. Guys, this is so creamy. and just lovely. Look at it. Look at it. Can you tell? Can you tell it's delicious? Yes, it is. Oh, so creamy. Oh, so cheesy. Oh, so nice. And Vibes Fam, guess what? Taste and see what you're lacking and add it. We're not going in pan this thing blind because we said taste good food. So taste it and dash it if it need dashings, right? Yes, the texture of this thing is so nice, like mousse. So yeah, stir it up and that's you. By the way, I like when some little bits and pieces of the potato is in mine. But yeah, you can use a mixer and fluff it out. Vibes Fam, see we here. Me try make a little design food, no? It not really show the creaminess, but trust me, this thing is amazing. Amazing. Comment down below and tell me, do you like your mashed potatoes smooth or with little pieces of potato in there? Like it not so smooth, it have a like a thing I go and feed, yeah? But this is it. So good, guys. Thanks so much for watching, Vibes Fam. And new watchers, hit the subscribe button. Please follow me on all socials. It's listed down below in the description box. God bless you guys. Thank you so much for the support.